Pure was developed by Pure Filter Solutions for the dewatering of many applications, one being underground structures. The filter is part of the safety equipment to make certain the crews pump the water out of the manhole before entering. Using this method will not only make it safe for the operator, but safe for the environment by cleaning the water before putting it into the storm drain. Depending on your company's procedure, you should either visually inspect the vault or take a baler sample to determine water quality. Visually compare the liquid sample to the indicator zones on the Pure Filter label. The bottles shown are a succession of potential vault liquid samples that may be encountered. Crews should use the Pure Filter when the vault water sample appears similar to the green zone and the yellow zone. Crews should call in a vacuum truck when the sample matches the red zone. Contact your supervisor or local EFS if the field crew cannot determine the discharge method. Grab the Pure Filter from the truck and unroll it along the curb, keeping the labels towards the ground. Once you've determined the need for a Pure Filter, get the pump ready for discharging the vault. Lower the pump into the vault, keeping it 6 to 12 inches off the bottom of the vault to start. Eventually, once the water level decreases, move the pump down to the bottom of the vault. Unroll the discharge hose towards the filter. Get the filter ready by opening the polytubing bag and attach the discharge hose to the Pure Filter. Open up the other end of the polytubing bag for clean water to be directed towards the storm drain. When ready, turn the pump on. There are instructions and specs for the filter on the polytubing bag and found near the pump controls. The Pure Filter removes sediments and hydrocarbons from the contaminated water to meet water quality standard requirements. People may be curious about your process. Let them know that you are using a filter to follow the regulations of the Clean Water Act, helping to keep their surface waters clean. The Pure Filter can be used on multiple jobs until it is full. Once the vault is empty or the filter is full, the flow of the water will slow. Turn the pump off. Disconnect the hose from the pump and roll the hose towards the filter to force the remaining water through the filter. Then disconnect the hose from the filter and seal the Velcro back together. Roll the filter up like a sleeping bag and seal the Velcro at the end. A strap with a handle will be provided around the filter for easy handling. If the filter is full, the used filter gets disposed of at the service center or yard as non-hazardous waste. The fittings can be reused and would be collected at the service center. Safely remove the pump from the vault and break down the Department of Transportation work zone. The Pure Filter comes with a male or female camlock fitting to match your pump. For further questions, contact your supervisor, vault program manager, or Pure Filter Solutions directly. The Pure Filter is efficient, economical, easy to use, and environmentally friendly.